work experience to get your older child into science. There are many work experience opportunities to help get your older child into science. Children aged 14 and over are allowed to obtain a work permit provided their parents give permission. There are internships during summer vacations, and volunteer opportunities all year round. The only limitation is where you live, but even that might not be the case if your child were to be selected for a residential opportunity in another state or country. Some internships might even be paid. Animal shelter. Volunteer animal shelters always need help in caring for the animals, including feeding and walking them. For any child who loves animals or is planning a career as a vet, this is a must. Vet's office volunteer. Some vets will allow students planning to be a vet to shadow them and help them around the practice. Zoo internships. Many of the top zoos have internships for keen students who want to learn more about particular animals, or immerse themselves in the chance to work at a zoo surrounded by the wonders of nature. Farmworks/animal husbandry. Chancer there is a local farm that would love to have a volunteer or intern. There are also farm-based summer camps, and farms that welcome paying guests with inexpensive or free room and board in exchange for helping with the animals. Check to see the youngest age limits at the farm. This could be a fun activity for the entire family. Natural History Museum intern. Lucky interns get to work on all sorts of projects related to the museum's displays and collection. Archaeological digs. Some museums also organize archaeological digs in the U.S. and overseas that they will need volunteers or interns for. Science enrichment programs. These are offered to encourage students interested in science to dig deeper. There are also some dedicated to medical studies. Students would be able to learn and also help administer the program, such as by aiding younger students. Science camp counselors. Every year, eager students head off to science camp. They will always need counselors to supervise them. Responsible high school students who like mentoring younger children might find this a great opportunity. Botanical gardens and forestry internships. For those fascinated by plants and trees, internships at botanical gardens or the Forest Service might be ideal. National parks. Students can start internships at the age of 15. For those passionate about working in the parks, there are several universities that offer the chance to become a park ranger. Aquariums and fisheries. Students who love the water and are fascinated by what lurks under the oceans will find a range of opportunities at local aquariums and through the fisheries department. Research labs. Labs are always looking for smart students who are able to aid in the smooth running of the lab and help with data collection, computing results, and so on. Some labs will engage in testing on live animals, however, so ask lots of questions before agreeing to intern anywhere. Charities. Various health-related charities like the Alzheimer's Association, American Cancer Society, and Arthritis Foundation are always looking for interns who can help advance their work. Computing opportunities. Many businesses hire freelancers to help them with web design, troubleshoot games, do usability testing on a new site, and more. Computer-crazy kids should find plenty of work during the summer, and all year round. For more ideas, see https://cty.ju/imagine/resources/internships/science.html.
I know that you like it like that. I wear designer, check the name on the tag. White fox fur on my jacket. Excuse me, that's